Do you provide breast pump support for parents? Would a tool to easily measure for flange fit be helpful in your practice? The nip fit is that tool. Smooth cutouts in 2 mm increments around the edge make it easy to measure any nipple to find the most accurate size flange. How to use the nip fit. Measure both nipples before pumping. Lay the nip fit against the breast with the nipple in the cutout you feel is closest to the nipple size. Rotate the nip fit, trying different measurements until you find the one closest to the size of the base of the nipple. Everting the nipple can make it easier to measure. Add 1 to 3 millimeters to the measurement to determine the flange size needed. If the nipple is elastic or stretchy, add 1 to 2 millimeters. For a flat or inverted nipple, add 2 to 3 millimeters. Swelling from engorgement or pumping with flanges that are too large can distort the measurement. Another measurement should be taken after the swelling resolves. The proper flange fit reduces pain with pumping, prevents breast and nipple trauma from pumping, and more effectively, removes milk from the breast. Use the nip fit tool because every pumping parent deserves the best nip fit.